how to do a 6-beat riff. We're going to do a toe tap before the 5-beat riff. So go back, check how to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first. We always add something onto the beginning of each number that we've just done. So we do a toe tap. Go and look at my video on how to do beginner steps to tell you more about the technique of doing a toe tap. So we make right foot toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Remember, it's very important to make sure you've got the previous number fast before continuing with the next number. There's no point doing riffs slow, so get each number fast before adding and making the next number. Then you need to practice them to do them as fast as you can, making sure each riff, each beat is clear and equal. So, toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. As we get to these high numbers, we can turn the feet in and out if we wish. Toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Toe, dig. Now we can turn out the brush as it brushes through. Brush, heel, so that's slightly turned out. Ball, heel. And the reason for this is by now you should be really fast, and if you was just coming forward, your feet are going so fast that they would get in the way of each other. So by turning them out, it gives you more space to continue, or it gives a better effect when you're making them in a routine. Toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep practicing them and get them faster and even. Remember, don't stop if you're doing more than one foot. Don't stop in between right foot and left foot. So they will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,